Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another really exciting day. It is yet another travel day, and this one was not planned in any shape or form. So basically my mum and dad got cheap flights going to the States, and they were wondering if I can meet up with them if I can get the time off. And sure enough, got the time off. So tomorrow morning I am heading to Orlando, Florida, my favourite place in the whole world, and I'm so excited. But I'm going to start my journey tonight because there's no bus for an early morning flight, so I have to go to Vancouver the day before. But hotels and hostels were kind of looking a bit too expensive, and I also didn't see a point in booking a hostel if I have to leave at 3 a.m. to get to the airport. So I'm going to camp out at the airport for the first time, so we'll see how that goes. So it's definitely a new experience. And also this trip is so special in so many ways because one, I get to see my parents who I haven't seen in about 4 months, so really excited to meet up with them. Two, get to go to my favourite place in the whole world again. We're also going to be doing Disney while we're there as well, which I'm so excited. I haven't done Disney in Orlando in so many years. But this one's going to be a little different. We're going to be doing the Christmas show in Disney, and I really cannot wait to see it. I've been meaning to do this for years. We're also going to spend a day at NASA, and we're going to go see the Rocket Garden. So I'm really excited for this trip. Like I said, this trip is not planned in any shape or form, and I only found out that they were going last week, so I really cannot wait. So right now I'm just finishing a few bits around the house, gonna have a shower. My bus is in about 3 hours, and I'll see you at Vancouver Airport. Hi guys, so I just got to Vancouver Airport. Now what? So my flight isn't for another 9 hours, it's about 9 o'clock now. So yeah, so I'm just gonna sit around here, gonna get a few bits done on the laptop. Area here just near Wendy's, which is open at this late hour, which is really good. And I'm just doing a bit of laptop work and getting on top of things. I checked it for my flight, have my boarding card, so that's all good. So I also done a bit of research on things you can do here in Vancouver Airport on a really long layover. If you're in the domestic terminal, you can go to an aquarium, which is actually really cool, and it's huge by the looks of the pictures. Unfortunately I can't see it because it's closed. It opens from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m, so unfortunately I missed that, so that would have been really good to see. Another thing you can do as well, there's a hotel attached to the airport in the terminal itself. It's in the international terminal, and it's the Fairmont Hotel. Apparently for $20 you can use their gym, you can have a shower, so that'd be really good if you have a really long layover. So I just had a shower before I came here, so I'm all good for that. And also a lot of parts in here as well have a lot of artwork that you can look at, especially a lot of things from the First Nation people, so it's actually really good. So I'm going to finish up here on the laptop, and I'm going to do a bit more research on things to do on a long layover. It's just coming up to midnight now, so hopefully I'll find somewhere and catch a bit of sleep as well. Because if I don't sleep here in the airport, I won't sleep on the flights. It's going to be a very long day tomorrow morning. About 1 o'clock. I have 6 hours to go till takeoff. Starting to feel the pinch now, but so basically I can't actually sit by the gate because I can't go through security because the gates are behind the check-in desks, and check-in desks are closed, so I can't do that. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to head down to the arrivals level, try and grab a seat and maybe get a few hours kip. Right now it's just about 3 o'clock in the morning. I still haven't slept a wink. Just been up watching YouTube and stuff like that, even though I haven't actually gotten any sleep. As far as airport chairs go, these ones are actually not that bad because they have cushions, and some chairs are missing some of the armrests as well, so you can kind of have a bit of a stretch out as well. Whereas a lot of airports I've been in, they had metal seats and every single one of them had armrests, so you couldn't stretch out. So these ones aren't actually that bad. God, what is this? So it's just after 3:30, and I have completely given up on trying to sleep at all because it's just not happening. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go for a quick freshen up. I'm going to brush my teeth, do my hair, and I'm going to try and see if we can get through security yet. Fingers crossed I can. to Dallas Fort Worth Airport, so I'm only here for about an hour and a half layover before my flight to Orlando, and I still haven't slept at any point. I've been up about 24 hours now, but I'm really looking forward to seeing Mum and Dad later on, so cannot wait. Finally here in Orlando, and now I'm going to go to the food court and meet up with Mummy.